We've been telling you how some students in Belen and now in Albuquerque have been infected with potentially dangerous bacteria infections. We're talking about MRSA and staph infections. The State Department of Health says right now is a good time to remind you of ways to avoid becoming infected. We have News 13's David Romero live in the Newsplex with more. Good morning, David.
Good morning, Elizabeth. Some of these are pretty obvious, like washing your hands and cleaning the infections, but it's a critical reminder because these cases could be deadly. In recent weeks, we've seen at least 14 kids in the Belen Consolidated Schools and one APS high school student develop skin infections associated with MRSA and staph. Though the Department of Health stresses this is not an outbreak. The students were evaluated and treated and the schools were clean. The Department of Health wants to prevent any more cases from spreading and recommends the following to avoid such. Now, if your child is a student athlete and has a skin infection, it's important to remember to keep the infection completely covered with a bandage. Other family members should remember how contagious the infection could be and constantly wash your hands after contact. Now, your student athlete should shower after practice or exercise and not share soap or towels with anybody else. Make sure to also keep your home environment clean as well by using detergent-based cleaners to clean all surfaces. Elizabeth, back to you.
Oh, very good information. Thank you, David. We do have more information on staph and MRSA infections with a link to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention website on our homepage, which is krqe.com. Just head over to the News Links section.